操，这两个圣徒的头在这里，一个的头在。哇！What's that？ 我发现司机给我送到另外一个分店来了，所以夜里2点多继续等 Uber 自己找吧。这旅行社。感觉这人也被摧残的，坐了10个小时飞机，摧残的差不多了，感觉。我靠，看看这人山人海，这没有1个小时出不来，我估计。这个破旧的程度跟开罗有一拼啊。Is this the right place?
No, this is San Isidro here.
Is it far away?
10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible.
Yeah, this is.
这个到了酒店，人家跟我说没有这个我的预定。后头这大哥，然后我发现司机给我送到另外一个分店来了，所以夜里2点多继续等 Uber 自己找吧。这旅行社也不回电话，造化弄人。算是秘鲁的特产。走，
有点，哎呦，有点恶心，有点恶心。哇，这比那糖好吃多了。
这酒店窗户望出去还是蛮有这种热带雨林的感觉啊，这个植物的感觉都不太一样。哇，也是果然要防晒的一个地方。
Spanish, usted, perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Spanish no good pronunciation.
Pacific Ocean.
Yes. Lima. El Frontón Island. In Frontón Island is like Alcatraz. It's a prison. It's a prison in Lima in exactly 45 years ago.
45 years ago.
Yes, it's a focus jail.
So they say different things. This is difficult to make the law, but be learning.
Yes.
And what are those things?
Other one. This is a
All the proverbs about love.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. From there across a bridge all the way to the beach. And those are the restaurants?
It's Rosa Nautica restaurant.
Oh, wow. Are they Michelin starred?
Yeah. Some presentation is very important, romantic, in your life, also you see your father's kisses. But this is a representation. But you will notice, my friend.
People in the airport.
Yeah, but possible
Like-
in June and July, more people.
Yeah, I was there an hour
Yeah.
waiting for getting into the country. Wow.
All over.
What?
The people don't recognize the place. They say, it's a hills. They use a motorcycle, bicycle, over that.
They found the mummy inside?
Yes.
Oh, that's interesting.
Bruselas Palace is a replica from Bruselas Palace in the place. It's a construction of other Polish architects. Joseph Patolsky is a construction is beautiful. Checking my friend in over, you can see the chess piece. You know the chess piece?
The chess piece.
Yes. It's a nice decoration with over. This is exactly building construction for offices for lawyers. And lawyers working.
Then lives here?
Yeah.
Cool. This is
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
You put you put hair over Jesus.
Yeah. 20,000 books you found in this area. but it's a different theology, literature, history you can find. Idiom, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Gregorian, Latin, you can find all ones.
You can smell the
mold
of the paper.
Nice.
Yeah, I know, it's beautiful.
This is the window.
Very smart.
But remember
Natural light.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yes. But remember earthquake in Lima destroyed. This is our order for music, for singular. Check it out. This is a place. The hooks is collocation over there.
Wow.
The hook? Here. Remember the boot? It's here.
So people can see it from far away.
Yeah. It's a distance also.
But still, I mean, well, they have really good sights. I don't think...
You see the church and around, you know, like an arc.
Ooh.
The catacombs. Watch in your head.
Yeah, I will. Oh, wow. What's that?
Actuality Cemetery. The Actuality Cemetery. By all the places is in Lima Underground. This is the Lima Underground. The Spanish construction.
Wow. So who put them together like that?
The history people is a collocation. But remember, the people found the body completely.
So when they found them, they were put like this. They were circled like
this
this.
is a collocation for archaeologists, for the history and archaeology for the examination of the bodies. If that you notice the coins, the people from Europe collocation the coins for exactly the people is like
Oh, they're US dollars. See? You see? US dollars.
This, the people go to the next life.
Ok. Muy bien, la primera bebida que vamos a beber ahora.
Chao Pima.
Chao Pima. Uhuma. This is the story about the spinach.
Yeah, I know, but is that a wine container?
But
这个他们那个购物项目啊，就跟中国茶道似的，弄一大堆喝的4小杯吧， 反正有一杯是辣的不行，然后我还剩一点，我还没喝完。反正我是不会买东西的，因为他说了半天全是西班牙语，我一个字也没听懂。但是这地方挺热闹的。嚯，这外头圣诞节放鞭炮呢，也不知道为什么圣诞节要放鞭炮。在这买酒的地方买一个小的牛角包。这个味道还可以啊，热乎乎的牛肉包啊，这个老奶奶好有这种印加的感觉。Thank you， 这是奇怪的形容。Is this one lady or every lady?
All the single girl. All the
Single ladies.
Single girl. Single ladies. Single ladies. Single ladies. Fountain.
Oh, the fountain.
The fountain.
Yeah.
Another one is the city hall.
City Hall.
City hall. This
Uh-huh.
one is the government palace. It's the president house.
Uh-huh.
Checking the building is quality uniforms.
Uh-huh.
You can find in the also Winter Palace.
Uh-huh.
It's the balcony is cedar wood. This one is another-
Cathedral.
It's a
What's this one? Archo.
It's also Winter Palace.
When the Christmas tree lights up, it must be really nice. Is this palm tree?
Business.
Lawyer, doctor.
For Grinch, the Grinch.
Oh, the Grinch. Yeah, behind it is the Grinch.
Yeah, I like.
Oh, he is so
I
lonely.
Like Grinch. I like Grinch.
Did you see Mario?
Yes, I know. Like a rock.
Oh, rock.
Want a picture with her?
这两个圣徒的头在这里，一个的头在这里，这是圣马丁好像，还有一个的头在这里，看着也怪神。哦 ，Dominic。Oh.
1920.
So it's everywhere.
Everywhere. It's a typical girl.
So every money has a step.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a representative of king.
So 370. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Who is she?
This is a Peruvian singer.
Singer.
Chabuca Granda.
Oh, a singer.
Yeah.
And
Archaeological girl about the discovery to Pachacama archaeology.
oh, okay. How about you?
This thing is a writer for books.
Book?
Yeah. This one the politicians.
Yeah, he looks like a politician.
Yeah, really?
He looks like a politician. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, bold with kind of like the suit. Yeah. Is the Chifa open?
Yes.
Okay. Chifa Yang Cheng。Chifa 羊城这是唯一开门的就只有中国餐馆，这 Chifa 就是吃饭，就是这个秘鲁的把吃饭给变成中国餐馆的一个英文名字。Chifa 看菜单人不开门，中国餐馆居然不开门。Chifa 羊城 Chifa 不开门，算了。
Morada. This is a prepare for gold. Sira.
这分量够大的。Some mahi and avocado。这导游的比我的好多了。哇哦！但我不是乌贼，我就给他。这个喷泉造型很特别。OK， 好吧。还是那个彩色的好看。出去就看完了，全都出去，我的妈呀！这比中国庙会人多。Go out， 出去。